Hari Om. Hello everyone, I am Sri Jyoti. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is Trigonometry part 6. So make sure that you have watched part 5. Today we are going to study trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. So before that we will study trigonometric functions of negative angles. Okay. In our last class, we have already studied in a unit circle what is sine theta. Here theta is the positive angle. What is a positive angle? When a ray rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, the producing angle is positive. Okay? When a ray is rotating in the clockwise direction, the producing angle is negative angle. Okay? So in positive angle, what is sine theta? In sine theta, in a unit circle, sine theta is the y coordinate. That is, sine theta is nothing but y. Okay? What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to x. See, if you have any doubt, you can watch our previous videos. Okay? So here, now let us find what is sine minus theta and what is cos minus theta. Okay, here, see, it is the point xy. Okay, it is in first quadrant. So here x values and y values are positive. Now here let us take minus theta be the negative angle. That means this ray is rotating in the clockwise direction. Okay, so what is sine of minus theta? See, in this region, see, it is the point x minus y. Okay, in this region all the x coordinates are positive, right? See, this region is between positive x-axis and negative y-axis, right? So, all the points in this region, the first coordinate is always positive. And what is the second coordinate? That is y-coordinate value is negative. Okay? Why? Because this region is between positive x-axis and negative y-axis. Okay, now let us see. Here, what is sine of minus theta? We know that sine theta is the y coordinate, right? Value of y coordinate. Therefore, here it is minus y. Okay? So, what is y? Y is nothing but sine theta. So, minus sine theta. Okay? So, sine of minus theta, that is equal to minus sine theta. Very important identity. Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Remember. Okay, next let us go through this one. Okay, cos theta. What is cos theta? Sorry, what is cos of minus theta? Cos of minus theta. What is cos of minus theta? See here, it is the angle minus theta. What is cos theta? The value of x coordinate, right? That is x. Here cos theta is equal to x. So here cos of minus theta is equal to x coordinate is x, right? Not minus x, x. So x itself. So what is x? X is nothing but cos theta. So we have got sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So remember, sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, now let us study this one. Trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. Here, let x and y be two angles. Okay. Here x and y are two angles. Okay. Now I will write formula. Okay. Here we will study formula for the trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. So here first one is sine of x plus y. Okay, proof is there, no need of proof. Just study this formula. Sine of x plus y. Sine of x plus y is nothing but sine x cos y. Okay, here what are x and y? X and y are angles. Okay, sine of x plus y is equal to sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Okay, remember, sine of x plus y is equal to sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Okay. Now, what is sine x minus y? See, very easy to memorize. See, if you study this one, you can write this formula. Okay. So, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, sine of x minus y is nothing but, see, in place of plus it is minus. Okay, so if you study this formula you will be able to write this one. Okay, sine of x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, next, cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, remember, cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Then what will be cos of x minus y? Cos x cos y, okay, changing the sign, plus sin x sin y. Okay, so here, see, if you study these two formula, okay, if you study these two formula, you will be able to write these two. Okay, so sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin of x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y. Okay, here same trigonometry function, minus sin x sin y. Okay, next, cos x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, now let us find sine of pi by 2 plus x. Okay, here see, no need to memorize this formula, because see, we can find this one using this formula. Okay, so only need to find, study these two formulas. Okay, sine of x plus y and cos of x plus y. So if you know this one, you will be able to find this, right? Okay, here sine of x plus y, it is in the form of sine of x plus y. In place of x, pi by 2, in place of y, x. Okay, substitute. Here sine x plus y is equal to sin x cos y. Sin x, first number, okay, that is sin pi by 2. Okay, cos y, that is cos x, plus cos x. Okay, here in place of x, pi by 2, in place of y, x. Okay, so sin pi by 2, that is sin x cos y, plus cos x, so cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2, sin y, sin x. Okay, sin pi by 2 plus x is sin pi by 2 cos x plus cos pi by 2 sin x. Now here we can substitute the value of this sin pi by 2 cos pi by 2. Okay, what is sin pi by 2? Sin pi by 2 is 1, right? 1 into cos x plus, here what is cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 is nothing but 0. 0 into sin x. So this term will be 0 and it is remaining 1 into cos x, cos x. So remember, sin pi by 2 plus x is equal to cos x. See, sometimes if you forget, you can find sin pi by 2 plus x by using this formula. So you have to by heart, or you have to study this formula. Sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, now let us find cos pi by 2 plus x. Okay, what is cos pi by 2 plus x? What is cos x plus y? Cos x plus y is cos x cos y. Okay, so here it is of the form cos x plus y. Okay, so apply this formula, cos x. So cos pi by 2 cos y. Okay, cos x cos y, cos x. Okay, in place of y, x. In place of x, pi by 2. Okay, then minus sin x. Okay, sin x, sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2, sin y, sin x. Okay, then substitute the values. Cos pi by 2 is 0. 0 into cos x, minus sin pi by 2 is 1. So 1 into sin x, that is equal to minus sin x. So remember, cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus sin x. Okay. Then next, what is next? Okay, let us find sin pi plus x. Okay. What is sin pi plus x? Okay. See, it is also of the form sin x plus y. Here in place of x pi and in place of y x. Okay. So here we can find this one using this formula. So substitute the values. Okay. Sin, apply the formula, sin x cos y, sin pi cos x. Okay. Plus cos pi by pi, okay, plus, sorry, cos pi sin x. Okay. Here, what is the value of sin pi? Sin pi is 0. Sin 0 is 0. Sin pi is 0. Sin 2 pi is 0. That is, sin n pi is 0. Okay. So, sin pi is 0. 0 into cos x plus, okay, cos pi is nothing but minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 into sin x. So, it will be 0. So, minus sin x. Okay, minus 1 into sin x minus sin x. So, sin of pi plus x is minus sin x. In the same way, you can find the cos of pi plus x or pi minus x. Okay, here also sin of pi minus x. So, if you study this formula, you will be able to find all this. Okay, so you have to study this formula. That is, sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now let us go through some questions. First question, find the value of the trigonometric function sin 765 degree. See here how to find the value of sin 765 degree. We have to make it in the form of sin of x plus y. Okay. Before that, see, we know that the value of sin x that repeats after an interval of 2 pi or 360 degree. That is, see, in last class I have mentioned, suppose it is a unit circle. Okay, it is 2 pi or 360 degree. Okay. Here one revolution is 360 degree. After an interval 360 degree, value of sine is repeating. Okay. That is sine 360 plus 30, that is nothing but sine 30. Okay. Or we can write sine 2 pi plus 30, that is nothing but sine 30. Okay. Or sine 360 plus 45, that is equal to sine 45. Okay. So the value of sin x is repeating after an interval of 2 pi or 360 degree or multiple of 2 pi or multiple of 360 degree. Okay. So here, before finding, first we will find a number that is multiple of 360 degree and close to 765 degree. Okay. So what is that number? See, we know that 360 degree into 2 is 720, that is close to 765 degree. Okay, so we can write it as sine 765 degree, that is equal to sine 720 degree plus 45 degree. Isn't it? Here, why 720? 720 is multiple of 360 degree. And the value of sin x repeats after an interval of 2 pi or multiple of 360 degree. Okay. So here once again we will write it as 2 into 360 degree plus 45 degree. That is sine of multiple of 360 degree plus 45. Okay. That is nothing but sine 45 degree. That is 1 by root 2. Okay. So remember, the value of sin x repeats after an interval of 2 pi or 360 degree or multiple of 360 degree. Okay. So next question. sine of minus 1410 degree. Okay, see here also this trigonometric function is a sine. So here we will make it in the form sine x plus y. Okay, sine of x plus y. So before that we will find a number that is multiple of 360 degree. Why? Sine value is repeating after an interval of multiple of 360 degree. Okay, so how can we write? Sine minus 1410, okay, 1410 degree, that is equal to sine of, see, we know that 720 plus 720, 720 is 360 into 2, 360 into 4 is nothing but 720 plus 720, that is 1440. Okay, so it is close to 1410. Okay, now that is we can write it as 4 into 360 degree. Okay, 1440 is 4 into 360 degree plus minus 1410 degree. Isn't it? Why? See, it is nothing but sine of 4 into 360 degree plus minus 1410 degree. We can write it, right? Why? Because sine value is repeating after an interval of multiple of 360 degree. Okay, it is equal to this one, right? That is multiple of 360 degree plus this number. So it is equal to this one. Okay, now what is this one? This value is 1440 minus 1410 degree, that is equal to sine of 30 degree. Isn't it? What is sine 30? Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. Next is sine minus pi by 3, 11 pi by 3. Okay. Here, how to find this value? See here, minus 11 pi by 3. It is in, our angle is in radian. Okay, radian measure. So minus 11 pi by 3. Okay. See here, if it is 12 by 3, it will be 4, right? Okay. So we will find a number that is a radian measure, an angle that should be close to this one. Okay. If it is 12, it will be 4. Okay. Then we will take 4 pi. Okay. And we know that sine value is repeating after an interval of 2 pi or multiple of 2 pi. Isn't it? So we can write it as sine minus 11 pi by 3 is equal to sine, okay, here 4 pi, 2 into 2 pi plus minus 11 pi by 3. Okay, why 4 pi? 4 pi is close to this one, right? If it is 12, it will be 4 pi. Now it is 11. So it is near to 4 pi, right? Okay, then that is sine 4 pi minus 11 pi by 3. Okay, this one it is equal to this one. Okay, this one is equal to this one. Why? Here sine value is repeating after an interval of multiple of 2 pi. Okay, therefore sine of multiple of 2 pi plus an angle is nothing but sine of this angle. Okay, so here sine of, simplify this one, that is sine 12 pi minus 11 pi divided by 3. That is nothing but sine pi by 3. So what is sine pi by 3? Sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Next question, find the value of the trigonometric function sine of minus 15 pi by 4. Okay, here also we will write it in the form of sine of x plus y. Okay. So here it is 15 by 4. If it is 16 by 4, we will get in 4 pi. Okay. So we can write it as sine of minus 15 pi by 4 is equal to sine of 4 pi. Why 4 pi? Because it is close to 4 pi, right? If it is 16 by 4, it will be 4 pi. Okay. And now it is 15. Okay. So 4 pi is close to 15 pi by 4. Okay. 4 pi plus minus 15 pi by 4. That is, we know that the value of the sin x repeats after an interval of multiple of 2 pi. Okay. That is sine of multiple of 2 pi plus minus 15 pi by 4 is nothing but sine of minus 15 pi by 4. Okay. Then, here, simplify this one. 16 pi, okay, 4 into 4 pi, 16 pi minus 15 pi divided by 4, that is equal to sine of pi by 4. That is nothing but 1 by root 2. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Okay, next question. Prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. See, we can find this, we can prove this one very easily, right? Just by substituting all these values, right? Sine value, cos value, tan pi by 4 value. Okay. So, let us take LHS. Sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4, that is equal to, what is the value of sine pi by 6? Sine 30, that is 1 by 2 square. Okay. Sine square pi by 6 is 1 by 2 square. Sine pi by 6 value is 1 by 2. So, sine square pi by 6 is 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Plus cos pi by 3, that is cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So, cos square pi by 3 is 1 by 2 square. Okay. Minus tan pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, tan is sin 1 by root 2. That is, 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. That is 1. Okay, 1 square, 1 itself. Then, here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. That is 2 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 4 minus 1. That is 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Or simplify, 2 into 1 minus 2. Okay, 2 into 1, 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Denominator 2. Okay. So, here it is proved. Next question. Next question is, prove that 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So here we have to prove 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. See, here we can apply the formula, right? Next question is 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, we have to prove this one. So here, see, first term and third term, here we can apply the values directly. Okay, but the second term we cannot. So we will find this one. So first of all we will find this cosec 7 pi by 6. What is the value of cosec 7 pi by 6? See, for this we have to write it in the form of cosec of x plus y, so that we can apply the formula, right? So here cosec 7 pi by 6 is equal to cosec of, how to write 7 pi by 6? That is pi plus pi by 6. See, by cross multiplication, 6 into pi plus pi, 6 into pi is 6 pi plus pi, that is 7 pi by 6. Now, what is cosec of pi plus pi by 6? So before that, we will find what is sine of pi plus pi by 6. Okay, because cosec is nothing but reciprocal of sine, that is 1 by sine. Okay, so we will find sine of pi plus pi by 6. Okay, for that we should know what is sine of pi plus x. Okay, how to find sine of pi plus x? Applying the formula, that is sine x plus y. What is sine x plus y? Sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Okay, now let us find sine of pi plus x. Sine of pi plus x, in place of x pi, in place of y x. Substitute x to pi, y to x. Let us write sine pi cos x, okay, plus cos pi sine x. Sine pi value 0, that is sine n pi is 0, sine pi, sine 2 pi, sine 3 pi, etc. Value of sine pi is 0. So here this term will become 0 plus cos pi is nothing but minus 1 into sine x, that is minus sine x. So we have got sine pi plus x is equal to minus sine x. Then what is sine pi plus pi by 6? Sine pi plus pi by 6. Sine pi plus x is minus sine x. Therefore, sine pi plus pi by 6 is nothing but minus sine pi by 6. Isn't it? Now we have got minus sine pi plus pi by 6. We have to find this one, right? So it is nothing but cosec pi plus pi by 6 is equal to reciprocal of sine, right? So 1 by sine pi plus pi by 6, that is equal to 1 by sine pi plus pi by 6 is minus sine pi by 6. Okay, that is minus cosec pi by 6. So cosec pi plus pi by 6 is minus cosec pi by 6. Now we can substitute here. Okay, now let us write LHS term. 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Okay, that is equal to, here let us substitute. Okay, the next term we will substitute this one. Okay, 2 sine square pi by 6. Say cosec 7 pi by 6 is minus cosec pi by 6. Cosec 7 pi by 6 is minus cosec pi by 6. Then what is cosec square 7 pi by 6? Take its square, so it will become plus. Okay, cosec square 7 pi by 6 is cosec square 7 pi by 6 is equal to minus cosec pi by 6 whole square. Isn't it? That is, it's a square, so it will be minus will be plus. Okay, so here it will be cosec square pi by 6. Okay, here it is nothing but cosec square pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Now apply the values. So here sin pi by 6 is, that is sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 square 1 by 4. Okay, plus cosec pi by 6. What is sine pi by 6? Sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So cosec pi by 6 is 2. It's reciprocal. Okay. Sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So cosec pi by 6 is 2. 2 square 4. Okay. Into here cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 cos 60. Okay. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square 1 by 4. Here 4 cancelled. So 2 by 4 plus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1. So it is nothing but 3 by 2. Hence it is proved. So next question. Find the value of sine 75 degree. Okay. Find the value of the trigonometric function sine 75 degree. Okay. So here how can we write? It is also, see, first of all we have to write it in the form of a sine of x plus y. Okay. How can we write? Sine 75 degree is equal to sine 45 degree plus 30 degree. Isn't it? 45 and 30 are standard angles. So we can write and apply the values. Okay. So here what is sine of x plus y? So you should study this formula. Sine of x plus y. Sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Okay. Therefore sine 45 degree plus 30 degrees equal to, in place of x 45 degree, in place of y 30 degree. Okay. So sine 45 degree cos 30 plus cos 45 degree sine 30 degree. Okay. What is sine 45? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Plus cos 45 same 1 by root 2. And sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. So it is 1 into root 3 divided by 2 root 2. 2 into root 2 plus 1 into 1 divided by 2 root 2. That is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Next question. Prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. Okay, we have to prove RHS sin x plus y. See here, see given LHS is in the form of cos x cos y, okay, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, isn't it? What is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y? That is nothing but cos of x plus y, isn't it? That is cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. See, given LHS in the form of cos x cos y minus sin x, okay, sin y. Here what is x? Pi by 4 minus x. What is y? Pi by 4 minus y. Okay. Now let us substitute. So it is nothing but cos of x plus y. So LHS cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to cos x plus y. X is nothing but pi by 4 minus x plus y. Y is nothing but pi by 4 minus y. Okay. That is here pi by 4 plus pi by 4 cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 2 pi by 4 Okay, 2 pi by 4 minus x minus y. Okay, that is equal to cos 2 pi by 4 is nothing but pi by 2. Take minus outside, minus of x plus y. Okay, now see here, what is cos pi by 2 minus x plus y? Cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. See, if you are confusing, you can find it by the formula. See, what is cos x minus y? X minus y. Okay, x minus y. Okay, so that is cos x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So what is cos pi by 2 minus x plus y? That is cos pi by 2 cos x plus y plus sin pi by 2 sin x plus y. Okay. See here, cos pi by 2 is 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So this term will become 0. Okay, first term will become 0. Second term, sin pi by 2 is 1. So 1 into sin x plus y. Okay, so it is nothing but cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. Here, actually cos, see this formula, cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Okay, cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. So if you forget this one, okay, if you are confusing about this one, you can find it by the formula. Okay, by formula cos of x minus y. Okay, so here cos pi by 2 minus x plus y is nothing but sin of x plus y. Why? Because cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Okay, so cos pi by 2 minus x plus y in place of x, x plus y. Okay, that is nothing but sin of x plus y. Hence it is proved.